Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best gas garage heaters in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best gas garage heaters that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Mr. Heater 18,000 BTU Big Buddy Portable Heater. With its rugged construction, portable design, and manageable weight, Mr. Heater's Big Buddy is well suited for heating a garage or an indoor worksite that isn't climate controlled. With its 18,000 BTU output, this radiant gas heater can warm spaces up to 450 square feet. It weighs 17 pounds and has a large handle mounted to the top, making it easy to tote from truck to worksite. It's also ruggedly made, with a metal grate that protects the heating element and a tough plastic housing. Its dual fuel tanks can last up to 11 hours, making it suitable for long work days in unheated spaces. It also has 3 heat settings and safety features, including a low oxygen auto shutoff and accidental tip-over shutoff. Moving on at number 4. We have the Heat Hog 9000 BTU Propane Heater. The 9000 BTU heater doesn't boast quite the capacity, maxing out around 250 square feet. But there's a 18,000 BTU version that our experts say should perform similarly, generating enough heat for upwards of 500 square feet. There's also a 4000 BTU model for smaller spaces. The compact 9000 BTU model we tested runs on either a single 1-pound propane tank or a larger propane tank with a separate adapter. We like the tiltable design of the 10-pound heater, good for angling warm air in a particular direction. The Heat Hog's housing gets warm, but not overly hot, and the unit has the safety features our experts look for, including a safety guard, a tip-over switch, and an oxygen depletion sensor. At number 3, we have the Mr. Heater Portable Buddy Radiant Propane Heater. Heating a small space doesn't have to require a big budget. The Portable Buddy from Mr. Heater, model number MH9BX, has the power to heat a small space, the safety features to run safely, and an affordable price tag. This Mr. Heater propane heater accepts small 1-pound bottles of propane, though an adapter hose will hook it to a standard-sized propane tank. Producing 4,000 to 9,000 BTUs, this radiant propane garage heater will warm objects in spaces up to 225 square feet, making it an attractive option for small shops and one-car garages. Its ventless design means it can be used indoors or out, and the near 100% efficiency means it won't waste precious fuel. This propane garage heater will also shut down if it tips over, the pilot light goes out, or if it detects low oxygen conditions. At number 2, we have the Mr. Heater Big Maxx. We selected the Big Maxx for its superior performance, price, and safety. Simply put, this is easily one of the best garage heaters you'll find, satisfying the needs of virtually every garage owner out there. The Mr. Heater Big Maxx has a maximum output of 50 kBTUs, which is more than enough to heat up to 1,250 square feet of space. It also uses a forced air exhaust system that prevents fumes from building up in the shop. However, it will require a separate exhaust vent for that. Still, a very interesting feature is the 115V power connection, which is more commonly found in residential garages than the higher voltage required by 220V units. However, the Big Maxx is designed only for a ceiling mount installation, although it allows for left or right side pipe inlets. In addition, you'll need a tubular heat exchanger and spark ignition venting kit for the installation, both not included with the purchase. All in all, the Big Maxx is better than most heaters but does come with a slightly complicated installation process. But of course, if you got this far, we can safely assume you are somewhat of a DIYer yourself, right? Nothing to be afraid of then. And finally, at number 1, we have the Dyna-Glo Blue Flame 30 kBTU gas heater. The Dyna-Glo Blue Flame is a basic affair that doesn't offer much in terms of options. However, it does what it's supposed to do, is quite cheap, and still provides up to 30 kBTUs, enough to warm up most standard garages. On the other hand, it also isn't thermostatically regulated, so you'll want to ensure you don't leave it on when closing shop for the night. Still, it's equipped with a low-med-high switch to control the amount of heat it produces, better than nothing. It might not seem like much, but this is a safe and dependable gas garage heater that doesn't cost a fortune. And even better, it also comes with a carbon monoxide, low oxygen sensor to safely shut down the device when dangerous conditions are met, making it perfect for a smaller house garage. Of course, it might not be the best option for bigger garages and repair shops. If you need something more powerful, we've got that below.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.